Wow. Check that out, bro. You got some good stuff going on there,
Yeah.
man. Oh, let me see. Right down the plastic. So as you can see, we went to this Greek thing. You could barely see it because we're fogging up the car. See, this is better. Some Greek food. Me and Super K. I got my stuff here. I'm ready to dig in. Right back at you. Actually, let me take it out and show it to you, man. Might as well, because I'm not a... Well, listen, I like all kind of food, okay? Look at this Greek. Look at this Greek food. This is the platter. The beef and lamb platter. Got some tzatziki sauce, pita bread, chopped up, a little bit of salad, and french fries. I need this thing. And I got 2 chicken souvlaki sticks with bread. Yep, that's about it, bro.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's see if I can fix this thing in. I wasn't going to, hold on a second. Bet you can't wait to eat, man.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yep. Here we go.
It's so dark.
Yeah.
Too much face action. We're back at you guys. Enough of that face action nonsense. All right. No, I like the face action. So what's up, my man? Super K?
Good.
So I decided to... Oh, wow. This peanut butter is dry. They should put some olive oil on top at least, man. This is too dry for me, man. Right off the bat, no olive oil. And the Greek people should throw a whole ton of olive oil on top of my food.
Yeah.
It's kind of dark in here, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I should have asked for some olive oil. All right. Let's go. Got some hot sauce though. What's it taste like? Ooh. Just regular hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot. All right, let me just. Yours look better than mine, actually. We're just gonna eat. We're not gonna talk anything. Nothing to say. It's a cold, dreary, rainy day. We're in a place called Lake Success. Tzatziki sauce. Stuff is. What did they put inside? What is that?
I don't know.
I got a salad? I think it's a salad. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm okay. You guys need to see the food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thumbnail, yeah. I have to go in my hands, you know? The hand is everything. Put your hand on everything.
Yeah.
try it on top of the beef
Mm-hmm.
and lamb. If I have any Greek people watching this channel, why don't you say hi?
Yeah.
Use my hands. Actually, I can put some ketchup in. It's like fish and chips.
Mm-hmm.
One thing missing here once again is the olive oil.
A lot of olive oil.
Yep, that's what I do. When I'm at home, I put a lot of olive oil in my food.
Oh, yeah.
It's either olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, or coconut oil. One of them.
Yeah.
Or even sunflower oil, but I usually use. I don't use coconut oil when I cook. I don't use. Maybe rarely I use corn oil, but mostly olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, obviously.
Yep.
And coconut oil nowadays.
Yep.
What do you use, bro?
Either vegetable oil or canola oil.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got 2 patties. Good. I mean, for $9, a double cheeseburger with a salad and french fry.
Yeah.
Cheaper than McDonald's.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What happened?
Huh? Nah.
We're almost done.
We're almost done. Yeah, we're almost done. All right. All right. All right, bye.
Boy, he's really desperate. What's going on with him? What do you want?
I don't know.
How much
Well,
time
I would rate this burger probably a 5 or a 6.
All the time?
Yeah.
Mm. This food is not bad, but it's an olive oil.
Yep.
I have to bring my own olive oil with me next time.
Oh yeah.
Are you finished?
No.
I think they expect you to go home and use your own olive oil. Most likely. No, that's the stuff I'm eating at home. Because I need olive oil. They're at home. But I still got my chickens.
Yeah.
Lucky.
Yep.
A chicken Slovakia. See what this looks like. Dry as hell as well. Not bad.
Yeah, and mine wasn't too bad either. I mean, the burger tastes pretty good, but you know.
It's a little bit plain, right?
Yeah. They should have put like some olive oil and maybe a crumble of feta cheese. Yeah. Besides the yellow American cheese.
Yeah, I mean, these guys were the best. If you're looking for authentic Greek food,
Yeah.
let me get some more of this beef because try to take one last.
Yep. How was the meat?
Food dip.
How was the meat?
No, it's just gyro meat.
Yeah.
Want to taste these?
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Not bad. But remember that, you know.
Better off going to the Olive Cart.
Yeah.
Would have been be cheaper too, actually.
Yeah, true.
By half the price.
Yeah.
All right, what we're gonna do? I'll put this on the floor, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Right here. Yeah. All right, guys. Back at you. See you guys next time. Episode.